Kubli pibro iparlok parjor kibju sengtna nape iniga kubor haniga janmit kabamta. Dehnaga kubor nape yaganiga news kab ai u Fabrizio Romano u reporter jongka football u bomju talk lane u bomju penmi klumar yagin aka kubor halbayde bat ka football. Shisin ba u Fabrizio Romano u ang kamun kadai basisha omron kajing tok haga bayde bat ki kubor kiba upenmi te menta to minis dang banpe yang ni ka kubor kana kadai pus kabadang 10 minit. Breaking, Lamine Yamal has suffered new discomfort in his pubis area. Report Mundo. Kani kadai batang 10 minit mo perlok. Te sakawai pan. Breaking, new physical discomfort for Lamine Yamal. More follow. Kamot katuba mene. Kabadang 10 minit. Fabrizio Romano, Ruben Amirom, Unode coach Jonga Man United. When I look at the match, we lost. I don't think we lost because of the system. Kanigawai part kabadang shikanta haswa. Urobon Amorim on criticized from Garen Neville and Vendrone. It is normal, you cannot run away from the result. And then you have the baggage from last season. Last season does not matter. We have had 6 games this season and we lost 3. Nang tapat sakana ka post kabadang arkanta haswa. Officially, Cristiano has been called up by Portugal for the Club World Cup qualify. Kamu Cristiano udang syakot ban lehkai haga World Cup qualify. Xavi Alonso, Federico saying he does not want to play as a right back. No player in the squad has told me that they don't want to play in the certain position. They are all ready to play whenever. They play as Real Madrid. Spain. Coach Jonga Spain Wong. Hansi Flick accused me of not managing Lamine well. I do not even remember what he's saying anymore. And I don't care. Coach Jonga Spain. Kanigwe part post kabadang like and time breaking. Jack Grealish not called up by England for the upcoming game. Common Grealish syakot haga squad Jonga England. Saknigwe part Phil Foden left out for the England squad for technical decision. Common Phil Foden ru syakot yak England. Breaking Gamut Jude Bellingham not called up by England for their upcoming game. Kamut ba Jude Bellingham syakot nagaliang ke England hakil jinglek ban sawan. Kanigwe part sakun tashwa. Despite Barcelona furious in September, Lamine Yamal has been called up for Spain for the upcoming game. Kamun Lamine Yamal udang syakot nagamata ka Spain hagi jinglek ke ban sawan nagamata ka Spain. Te Frankie de Jong and Barca until 29. Te tamne perlok Bleshbon.